Hey, it's Gina with WTI. And if you've been looking into getting a pair of sleep earbuds that do more than just help with deep sleep, but can also be used during your waking moments for things like focus and calming, you've got to check out this amazing pair that I got from dbbeats. Initially, I got these because I needed something that would help me drown out my husband's snoring, and I wanted something comfortable because I'm a side sleeper. These have worked so well for both of those things. But then I discovered there was so much more to these that I use on a regular basis. So this has the option for binaural dynamic beats. I love that you can adjust the volume on this. Along with the brainwave audio technology, you can also have active noise cancellation and the foreground noise playing all at the same time. So it really drowns like everything out. The app has so many options. The first thing you're going to notice is that it's going to monitor your heart rate every time you turn them on. And then you can choose to have AI suggest something for you. I found that I chose to use the manual portion of this the most often. So you can see that there's options for deep sleep, power nap, meditation, and focus. And you're going to find that you use these all the time, just like I have. Overall, I'm really pleased with the functionality of these. I think you should check them out, and that's my point of view.